Hi all of you. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of the GATE examination. So GATE 2021 application has been started. So GATE 2021 is organizing by Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. When you're coming to the eligibility of the students for GATE examination, up to GATE 2020, only fourth year students or the candidates who completed their BTech or undergraduate programs are eligible for examination. But now, from GATE 2021, the third year students also allowed to write the examination. So, as per GATE 2021 rules, third year students, fourth year students, and the candidates who completed their undergrad program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, or arts eligible for GATE 2021 exam. So coming to the pattern of the examination. So here I have mentioned some few points about examination, time duration, and what are different subjects GATE is going to be conducted. So coming to the examination mode. So this GATE examination completely computer based test. So there is no any paper based examination. And the duration is 3 hours. And nearly 27 subjects are there for GATE examination. So like for ECE students, ECE, CSE, Triple E, Mechanical, Civil like that. So we have 27 branches or 27 subjects for GATE examination. And what are different sections in the examination? So in general, you can observe two sections in the GATE examination. One is general aptitude section and the other one is core subject. And the number of questions are 65. 10 questions are from graduate general aptitude and 55 questions are from core subject. And marking. Almost all the questions in the examination are 1 mark and 2 marks only. And what about the pattern of questions? So in GATE examination, you can observe three types of questions. One is multiple choice question, and the other one is multiple select questions, and the other one is numerical answer type questions. Three categories are there. In the first category, multiple choice questions, you can have 1 mark questions and 2 mark questions, but there is a negative marking for every wrong answer. If the question is 1 mark question, the negative mark is one third of the mark, and if it is a 2 marks question, you have two-third of mark as negative penalty mark. And in the second category, multiple select questions. So here, for one question, you may have one answer or multiple number of answers out of four choices. Here there is no any negative mark, and the questions carry 1 or 2 marks. And third category, numerical answer type. So here you are going to have only problematic questions. So you need to solve the question and enter integer values through online mode. Here also there is no any negative marking. And detailed marking system. So as I told you, there are 27 papers for GATE examination. So all the engineering streams are mentioned in the first category here. So and the others are also mentioned here. So the marks distribution for all engineering is like this: 15 marks for general aptitude, 85 marks for subject, total 100 marks, and the total duration of the exam is 180 minutes. Similarly for all other subjects. And for engineering subjects, there is mathematics also in the core subject. For others, there may not be mathematical subject. And use of GATE score. So after writing GATE examination, you may get secure good percentile. So what is the use of GATE score? So the main concentration of the GATE is to get MTech or postgraduate admission in IITs, NITs or central funded institutions. Most of the students are targeting PG admission only, because if you got good score, you can get admission in the IITs, NITs, and at the same time you can get scholarship of 12,000 to 18,000. So not only in NITs, IITs, in every technical institution which is recognized by AICTE, if you got admission, you are eligible for getting scholarship from AICTE. So this is related to education, higher education. So what is the use of grade score for employment? So here I have mentioned 2 points. So all the public sector companies are using GATE scores to shortlist the candidates for employment. So based on the score, if any candidate is shortlisted, they will be called for interview directly. So some public sector units are mentioned here: BHEL, GAIL, IOCL, NTPC, NPCIL, ONGC, and Power Grid Corporation of India. So not only public sector companies, central government is also recruiting through GATE score. So they are taking direct recruitment at Group A level. So some examples are also mentioned here: Senior Field Officer in the Telecom Department, Senior Research Officer, and Senior Research Officer at SNT in Cabinet Secretariat. So like this, using GATE score, you can get government job with good score, or you can enter into higher education. So what is the validity of GATE score? So for GATE 2021 result, you can find the result in 22nd March 2021 in the GATE website, and GATE score is valid for 3 years. So for example, if you qualified in GATE 2021, so 3 years means 22, 23, 24. So your GATE score is valid up to 2024. So what about the fee particulars? So here are with the fine and without fine. Without fine, you have the time up to 30th September, and with the fine, you have the time up to 7th October 2020. So for female candidates, up to 30th without fine, the fee is 750 rupees, and for SC/ST and physically disabled candidates, 750 rupees only, and for all others, that means OCR, OBC, the fee is 1500 rupees without fine. With the fine, 1250 for females and SC/ST, and for others it is around 2000 rupees. So this is the picture you are having to get complete important dates related to GATE 2021. So 14th September is the date for online application, and 30th the last day, and without fine. With fine 7th October 2020, and last date for change of category is 30th November, and you can find admit card in the website by on 8th January, and the tentative schedule is for examination 5th, 6th, 7th, 12th, 13th, and 14th February 2021, and by 22nd March 2021 you can get your results. So this is about important information related to GATE examination and GATE 2021. In the next video, we will see how to apply for GATE through online mode. Thank you one and all.